Orange chicken and rice extra is pretty good. Is this real? What the since when did Snoop Dogg sell a cookbook? When did this happen? Gin and juice? Okay. When did that ever happen? Snoop Dogg has Snoop Dogg has a frickin' cooking book? Phone. JP Carden. Hi, guys.
Yo, DK.
Yo, hi, guys. How you doing, bro?
Grab that Lego set, bro.
What about it?
Now, when is the stream where you can't end until you fully build it?
Yo, bro, I don't have the... Yo, leave me alone. I don't have the brain cells for that. Stop. Like, what's wrong with this guy?